I'm very pleased to share our understanding and our best practice to run the best SAP on Alibaba Cloud. Okay, first of all, I would like to share a real story with you that happened when I traveled to this city, to Orlando. Okay, in the left side, that is the dining hall in the New York restaurant. No, in the New York airport, and I sit down in a table and I use the iPad to browse the menu and select an order and coffee. Then I use the credit card to a different machine just to pay the coffee. But a similar scenario that happened every day in Hangzhou in China. I sit down on a table, but there's no iPad, just a sticker, just a QR code. I use my cell phone and open the Alipay. Use my cell phone to just scan the barcode and use my cell phone to browse the menu. Then use my mobile payment to pay for it. Okay? So in the left side, each table that will cost you at least $500. But in the right side, okay, the cost within 1 yuan RMB. Similar scenario, similar result, but a different cost. So that's our way to do the business, or that's our Chinese style to do the business. So what I want to share you is why we do business in such a way. The first is, in China, we have 1.4 billion people in China. So such a huge population, we cannot upgrade all the table with an iPad, okay? The second thing is, mobile payment is more popular in China, in Asia, right? So if we use the mobile payment, then that will shorten or that will make you more easy to pay without a credit card. The third is, more and more new startups or such innovators that appears in China. They leverage the latest technology. They leverage Alibaba Cloud to do their business. So that's the result, and that is the difference in China and outside of China. So in this slide, I want to share with you what Alibaba Cloud is. Sometimes you know Alibaba, you know Tmall, and you know Alipay. But what is Alibaba Cloud? Alibaba Cloud is the foundation of Alibaba business. So that means we need an infrastructure. This kind of infrastructure can support various of our business. So similar with the AWS to Amazon, Alibaba Cloud is our foundation. So Alibaba Cloud, from the marketing's view, in the last year, Alibaba Cloud is the number 3 public cloud vendor in worldwide. And in the last 3 years, we maintain a very, very fast growth rate. Every year, we exceed 100%. And in China, we are very, very strong. We are the number 1. We dominate this market. We almost have half of the market share. Okay? And we have over 1 million paying customers. That's a huge customer base. They leverage our technology. And we have 143 public products that are available on our website. Those kind of the products, sometimes they looks the same like our competitors provide, and sometimes they are different. So that's our product. And there's a very good news for both of us, right? In last month, Alibaba Cloud is the first public cloud provider in China that fully complies with GDPR in Europe. And we are not only to comply with the GDPR, we also comply with China's cybersecurity law, and we also have the certification from the MTCS. So right now, we are one of the most comprehensive security solutions in China in public cloud. And we have 44 AZs in worldwide. So that's Alibaba Cloud. That's what we can provide. So what's our differentiator? Okay, sometimes you say, you look like AWS, you look like Azure, but what time really is, that's our differentiator. Okay, Alibaba Group, we do business in a different way. We have 5 new, that is new retail, new finance, new technology, new energy, new manufacturing. Jack Ma introduced such innovative initiative to do the business, use the internet way. And Alibaba Group, we accumulate a lot of experience, and we launched our Lighthouse project. We prototyped, we do our experiment, and we standardize such expert or such practice into the product. That's kind of the unique product is the data middle office and the business middle office. Such PaaS service is provided by Alibaba Cloud. So such PaaS is empower the Alibaba Group can do each kind of sub-industry in their way, in their style, and we encapsulate it, we standardize it, and we productize it through Alibaba Cloud to empower our customers, especially in the SMEs, and let them have the same right with the big brand customers to do their business and leverage the cutting edge technology. So that's our expertise. Okay, the next slide is a typical scenario that deployed SAPs on Alibaba Cloud. That is a DR and HA solution on the cloud. So that is a high availability solution, and that's our DR solution. And the unique is we not only provide an ECS instance to run those kind of applications, we also provide a packaged security solution for SAP. So that means we provide an enhanced security solution that including the anti-DDoS, that including the web firewall, and that including some of our security-related forecast service. So if some of the visit from mail attack IPs, we will detect it, and we will notify our customer some kind of attack will happen. And we also provide our gateways or some of our network abilities. These abilities, like our smart access gateway, so that is IPsec VPN's box. Okay, you only buy a box, a very small box, and set up in your environment. You can connect with Alibaba Cloud, and you can set up a VPC in worldwide. And we also provide Express Connect to do the VPC pairing. So leverage our infrastructure. You will have a single intranet for your business. So that's our differentiator. So the next slide is surrounded SAP. We provide more comprehensive solutions. Those kind of solutions are cloud native. Okay, for the AI part, okay, we provide ET Industrial Brain. This kind of service looks like the equivalent of IBM's Watson. Okay, we have an AI engine. We have an eyesight for AI, and that can be integrated with SAP's S/4HANA. And we have the security. Okay, we have the SDK for the storage, And we also have Data V and Quick BI. Such kind of the service will do the report or do the analysis on the web very easily. And we also have DingTalk. That's a very unique product offered by Alibaba Cloud. Maybe some of you have the experience of WeChat, okay? With DingTalk, these tools is built for collaboration. So that means for some scenario, you have some work, you have some task must to handle. This task you can handle through your cell phone. So integrated with DingTalk, that will make the customer's experience more easily and more comfortable. And that already happened in China. And we provide RPA solution, and we provide a network solution. Such solution, if you want to know some things in detail, you can visit our booth, okay? And in today's presentation, I would like to share one topic, that is our AI engine, our ET Brain, okay? Our ET Brain, we started this business in 3 years before, and the idea is we gathering all kind of the data from the public or from the private, from the ERP or from some of the metering. We get the data and we store the data, and we help the customer to build a data model. And the data model from the applications tier, okay, we help the customer to build some applications levels algorithm. Such algorithm will leverage our machine learning engine and reduce a result. Such result will adjust your business. So that is the idea of our ET Brain. Real example, our ET Brain have many success cases in China, especially for this one. That is Dun'an. That is one of the largest new energy provider in China, and they have a lot of turbines in the world. So the customer pain is for the long-term maintenance, how to cut down, how to reduce the cost of the maintenance. And the real situation is they have no online data. All the data is offline. So we need to try to help the customer make such data online. So our solution is, for the IoT part, we help the customer to leverage the edge computing to gather all the data from the countryside to the cloud. And the second is, we use our ET Brain to ingest the data, to build a data model, and to do the forecast. And the result is the operation and the maintenance cost of Dun'an, that leveraging our ET Brain, that saved 30% of the cost. Very exciting, huh? And that is our architecture for Dun'an, okay? For the real-time data, we use Data Hub, and we use the string compute to do the real-time reference, to do the real-time computing. And for the offline data, we use our CDP to ingest such data and store it on our big data service that's named Max Compute. And all the data will be covered by our security service, and that is our dashboard for that for such service. So that is a real chart for Dun'an's case, okay? In this dimension, that is the life cycle for the turbine, and in this dimension, that is the health rate. So in this real chart, you can see the curve, and when the line landing in each of the zone, such in this zone, okay, that is the small damage, and we can do some predictive maintenance. And in this zone, okay, that is the mechanical protection trippings, and we need to handle it. Okay, so I think there is a strong integration part with Alibaba and with SAP. Okay, in China, the SAP is the best brand ERP system, and ETBrain has some customers. We can leverage each other, and we can sit together to integrate together to serve the intelligent enterprise. So that is our intention. So why is Alibaba Cloud? The first reason is we are the disruptive innovator and the enabler of digital transformation. In China, just like my previous examples, we do business in a different way. And we set up an example, we set up the lighthouse, and we encapsulate in our product, in our offerings. We share our offering and our practice with you. And we enable you to do the business in such a way. The second is the best choice for global enterprise to go China. Okay, just because the China's internet business is totally different than US, than Europe, right? So there's no Facebook, there's no Twitter in China, but we have WeChat and we have Weibo, okay? And if you want to landing your business in China, you need a platform and you need a partner. In this platform, in Alibaba Cloud, you can find each kind of the service on our marketplace. And you can, through our marketplace, to build your own ecosystem. So finding a digital China on Alibaba Cloud, that is reasonable. And the third is, we provide a comprehensive security and compliance solutions. As I mentioned before, we passed the GDPR and we comply with Chinese cybersecurity law, and we provide full of the service that will help you to pass or make sure your system is secure on the web. And the fourth is, we provide the scenario-driven AI platform. That is our ETBrain. We use the ETBrain, we use the AI not only to do the predictive maintenance, but also we embedded such kind of service in the new retail. Like we do the new retail, okay, we use the facial detection to detect which is the customer, which is the potential customer, and if that kind of record be hit by the CRM system, okay, we will identify you and give you special promotion. And we also leverage the voice technology and to do some of the voice guidance. So that is our expertise. And in one word, or in our summary, we already have served a lot of customers, and those kind of the customers, some are really big. Some of them, they are leverage our network ability. Some of them leverage our best practice, but we treat them equally, and we empower them. No matter they are small or they are big, and they can leverage, they can live on Alibaba Cloud. Thank you very much. Oh, by the way, is there any question? Okay, if you have some detailed question about Alibaba Cloud, you can ask me, okay? Thank you.